In the meantime, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, along with Mayor Joy Belmonte and Metro Manila Council President Francis Zamora, spearheaded the second wave of free rice distribution program in Quezon City, where over 1,000 residents have received 10 kilograms of rice for free. J.M. Thompson has more.
More than 1,000 beneficiaries received free 10 kilos of rice earlier today in Barangay Doña Imelda, Quezon City. Led by First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, and Metro Manila Council President Francis Zamora. Erlinda Sartorio is one of the beneficiaries who is claiming free rice in Quezon City for the second time. She said, with life being so hard, the 10 kilos of rice is a huge help for their family to save money.
Siyempre mahalaga sa amin yung 10 kilong bigas. Malaking bagay na rin yun eh. Yung sa pang-araw-araw. Opo, pang-araw-araw kasi wala naman kaming trabaho.
The same goes for Elma, who brought her child and lined up early to get the free rice. She said that the money saved from buying rice can be allocated to spend for the needs of her children.
Mahalaga po yung sa amin kasi pang-araw-araw po namin pagkain kasi hirap din po kami sa buhay, kaya ano po sa amin yung 10 kilong bigas.
First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos knows the importance of rice on every meal table of each Filipino family. That's why she personally led the distribution of free rice today.
Kasi alam ko, as a mother, mahalaga na magkaroon ng pagkain. Konting tulong lang to. I hope it goes a long way.
This program is part of the Local Government Support Fund released by the Office of the President to local government units. This is the second wave of free rice distribution in Quezon City. According to Mayor Joy Belmonte, the local government purchased the rice from local farmers because aside from the city's residents, the program was also conceived to help the country's farmers.
Ang ginamit po natin ay ang Sagip Saka Act, which enables us to enter into negotiations with farmer cooperatives. Ang presyo po ng kada kilo ay 50 pesos. Siyempre may balot pa yon, 55 pesos per kilo, 550 pesos po for every 10 kilos. Yan po ang natatanggap nila sa araw na to, 10 kilos po.
Meanwhile, more than 200,000 beneficiaries are expected to receive free rice in Quezon City.
So we depended on the CBMS or the Community-Based Monitoring System. This is the survey that was provided to us by the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA po. Batay po sa kanilang pag-iikot sa iba't ibang mga household sa lungsod. Doon po nakita yung doon po namin binatay ang pagpili ng mga bibigyan po natin ng tulong. No? Ito yung mga pinaka-nangangailangan ng mga miyembro ng ating or sektor ng ating pong lungsod.
Metro Manila Council President Francis Zamora assures that the distribution of free rice to residents will be continuous, not just in Metro Manila, but in different parts of the country.
Ito po ay isang sustainable effort ng ating pamalang national, katuwang ang mga lokal na pamalaan po natin. So ito pong pag-ikot natin kasama ni First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos ay nagsimula na po dito sa Quezon City. At alam ko in this week, 2 venues pa ang iikutan. At pagkatapos ang ibang mga lungsod na sa National Capital Region. So ito po ay ginagawa hindi lamang sa NCR, ngunit sa lahat po ng lungsod at bayan sa buong bansa. So it is simultaneous through the Local Government Support Fund and we expect to finish this by end of the year.
J.M. Thompson, for The Nation.